Good morning, students. This is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA ZBC 5th semester. Subject botany. Paper name is Binomial Nomenclature Taxonomy. Students, nowadays we were discussing about family description. We were discussing about the description of particular family, what is the classification, what is the habitat, their vegetative characteristic features, then floral characteristic feature, floral formula, all those things we were seeing. Okay, so in the continuation of the previous class, today we are going to take description of Asclepiadaceae family. Students, this is also in your practical class where we will perform experiment. In practical we used to describe flower of particular family, but before that in theory paper we used to study about that in theoretical portion. Okay, so in this theory paper we are going to study. After that on practical turn we study by doing experiment. Okay, so let's start this lecture with systematic position. This family Asclepiadaceae is one of the most important family of Bicarpellidae. If you might be remembering that in Bentham and Hooker's system of classification, we were discussing one series were there that was Bicarpellidae. Okay, in that this family is there, Asclepiadaceae along with Apocynaceae, Solanaceae, Scrophulariaceae. Okay, so Asclepiadaceae is among them. This class belongs to dicot, you all know. Subclass is Gamopetalae, series is Bicarpellidae, we have already mentioned. Order is Gentianales. Okay, order name is Gentianales. It will be little bit difficult for you people since this is your beginning in taxonomy class, but after some time you will get in rhythm and you will be happy to remember these terms. Okay, but for time being it will be difficult, I can understand, but don't bother about that, don't lose your patience. Okay, try to focus on these terms. Now about habit and habitat. Here all forms are present. Some of the plants belonging to this family is herbs such as Asclepias. Some of them are shrubs such as Calotropis, Procera. This name is very familiar and you might have seen, I am damn sure you have seen around our university campus. This plant is found abundantly even in campus also. In layman term, aak is there. Hindi name aak, akada, depending on different location name is different, but botanically this is Calotropis procera. Madar is another name. Okay, some of the plant is twinner like Demesia, another Xerophyte, Caralium, and Epiphytes, Discidia. These are the different forms of the plants who are belonging to this family. Next, leaves. Leaves. The leaves are simple, opposite, and decussate. Each pair of leaf is arranged at right angle to one another. Each leaf is covered by with wax. Alone, the stem and leaf latex milky. This is the peculiar character. You might be experiencing that when you scratch the leaf or stem of this plant Calotropis, you will see there is a latex come out the plants or that wounded portion. Okay, this is the peculiar character of this family to present of this latex. Okay, now inflorescence, that is umbel. Now flower is bracteate, bisexual, actinomorphic, tetra or pentamerous, hypogynous. Okay, now calyx, it has 5 sepals which are free, that is polysepalous, and their estivation is imbricate. We have already seen that in flower, that is pentamerous, means 5 sepal and petal would be there. Okay. Now corolla. Corolla, they have 5 petals which are united, that is gamopetalous. Along the petals there are hairs like outgrowth called coralline corona. This is the unique feature of this family. Student, please keep in your mind that coralline corona is found only in Asclepiadaceae family. Okay, so don't ignore it. Most of the examination they used to ask this question. Then androecium. Stamens are 5. Each stamen is attached with the petals. This condition is called epipetalous. Okay, all the filaments are fused together to form tube-like structure that is known as staminal tube. This is again another unique feature of this family. Anther are diathecous. Stamens are adnate to the gynoecium to form the gynostachium. This is another. Student, this is the family of unique features. Okay, so from examination point of view as well as from competitive examination point of view, this is very important family. Try to remember all those facts. Okay, now translator in Asclepiadaceae. This is another an unique feature of this family, that the pollen grain of this family are aggregated in a single mass that is known as pollinia. In practical class, you people will isolate, see this pollinia by your own way, by your own hand. You will, because previous year many students have isolated, pulled out this location of pollinia, and you will observe it by your eyes, naked eyes. Okay, with the help of microscope. Two such pollinia are united together by means of a tag that is known as cortical. The cortical attached to a dark attached to the dark brown body that is known as corpusculum. The corpusculum is situated in a slit at the 5 corners of the pentagonal stigma. These all structure you will see when you dissect the flower of that Calotropis procera. Okay, now gynoecium. Gynoecium is bicarpellity. As series name is bicarpellity. Bicarpellary apocarpus superior. Carpels are separated at the base and united at the stylar region, ending in a single pentagonal stigma. Now fruit. Generally, fruit is in a pair of follicles. Seeds, cosmos. Some of the economic importance of this family is Calotropis gigantea. The seeds are used for stuffing purposes. The stem yield a fiber. Another plant of this family is Ceroptegia hirsuta. The tuber are edible. Next is Demia extensa. The juice of leaves is used as a remedy for diarrhea, asthma. Another plant of this family is Hemidesmus indicus. This is the medicinal plant. The roots are used as a tonic to increase appetite and as a remedy forever. Skin disease, snake bites and rheumatism. So in this way, student, today we have seen the vegetative product description, economic importance of Asclepiadaceae family. Students, on next term we will study another family. Thank you very much.